ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
President Jongka Hill State People's Democratic Party uba KP Pangyang hagasngi palai jongka shipotrik ubanai rempang arajar arfuar ulaong baka Congress kan yakendo mau siang bha haga election shike yeng dorbar thau ain kaban salong haus nam arajar arfulai haga Jingïakynad bat kabate TV uba Pangyang ulaong baka lawai jongka Seng Congress kan long kabadum haga election kaban salong namar bakam don ka jinges ngotho jingmut hapdeng unongelam jongka party bat ki MLA Shushu lo ongru bakane ke Jingïakynad Hapoh ke Seng Congress kan Plie Lynti ye ki Seng Riewlum hakane ke election ka bansawan.
In fact, I see that the future progress of the Congress party it seems it will be badly affected in this upcoming election because we have seen that there is no such understanding in between the president of the party and the MLAs, and at the same time now it seems that there is a great infighting in between them. So this shows that Congress party, like they have mentioned earlier, that we the regional party is like a small party in Meghalaya. SBDP ends up the issue only up to Khanapara. It's not in a national image, but now I have seen that this party, this Congress party in Meghalaya, it seems that it will face a lot of setback in the coming election, and it will give boost image to the regional party that we are standing strongly for the best interest of the people, best interest of the and the uniqueness of the people of the state. So I see that now it is time for us as a regional party to rebuild and to re-strengthen our position. And I feel that people of this in the state now will look at us, and it's high time for us now to appeal the people of the state to give us the mandate and to render the service of the expectation of the people in this coming election. Very outset, I really appreciate the move of the 5 MLAs of the Congress party to come together, to join together with us under the umbrella of MDA government. To me, it seems that all the MLAs of the Congress, they have seen, I feel, and I think that I have seen, and they are very much satisfied with the performance, with the function of this present government, of MDA government under the leadership of Conrad Sangma. So, it makes them to come together with us, work together with us for the larger interest of the people of the state as a whole. Now we are living in the so-called coalition government, coalition era. I don't see that it will affect the MDA government because as all the political parties are coming together, means the main purpose is to deliver good service to the people of the state as a whole. So I don't see that any affection will be caused due to their recently entry to this MDA government by the 5 MLAs of the Congress party.